Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Mailbag. John McNamara of Highball Advisors inside a mail car doing the mailbag. Doesn't get much better than this. Today's question comes in from a Kevin B. and he says, I have an opportunity to work for my local county municipality. I currently have 13 years of credible service. If I were to retire from this county job as well, would I be collecting railroad retirement and a county pension? So first off, yes, you will be able to collect both of them. All right. However, you need to understand if it's covered or non-covered pension, right? So that means, did you pay into Social Security or not? So very important. Also, congratulations. I like the multiple streams of retirement income, right? Railroad retirement, county pension, and that's great. So Kevin, I would recommend that you check out my video, Railroad Retirement Reductions from a Non-Covered Pensions. A lot of good stuff in there that will give you some ideas on how to handle that. All right, so I hope you found this helpful, Kevin. Everyone, please send in your questions. I'll shoot a video on them. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please share the channel. Doing some great growth. It's great to see. So until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.